For XRP to be profitable, it must be pricey. With billions and trillions of users in the future, more businesses, banks, and governments will start using XRP. Now, if XRP were only $3.30, its supply would run out rapidly. As a result, in order to send big amounts of money, XRP needs to be more expensive. I advise using the quick swap link in the description if you want to buy XRP in the USA 100% legally and without having to register. Simple Swap is the simplest and most secure way to buy and hold XRP. Additionally, you can exchange it whenever you wish for any other cash. Compared to all other major exchanges, it has reduced fees. As a result, you will be able to acquire more XRP than you could on well-known exchanges. Additionally, you can sell cryptocurrencies directly to your bank account, something that is no longer accessible on bindings for different nations. Link is provided in the summary. I am certain of it. XRP has a minimum theoretical value of $1,000. In this video, we'll look at expert predictions on why XRP will be worth more than $1,000. The rise in popularity of cryptocurrencies has turned investors from pessimists to believers in the market as a good place for their money. More people will be able to trade cryptocurrencies as a result, which will help the industry expand. In the future, digitization of everything will almost certainly occur. It will also provide a lot of individuals a fresh viewpoint on the industry. These projections increase the worth of Bitcoin assets. It stands to reason that they could soon hit new heights. One of the cryptocurrencies with the highest chances of reaching $1,000 is Ripple. In order to move currencies, it primarily acts as a network for banks and other financial institutions. Although there is a lot of promise in the next 5 years, several factors would need to come together for this to happen. Within the next 5 years, according to 72.4% of participants in a pool of XRP investors, Ripple will reach $1,000. As a result, the price will soar if a bank uses Ripple technology to send billions of dollars utilizing XRP. Depending on the currency's current price of 47 cents, you can transmit billions of dollars using XRP for 4 seconds. How does it affect the price? It quickly returns to where it was, which is unsustainable and counterproductive given that Ripple is trying to change the direction the price is going. As a result, the price must be sufficiently high to be accepted as payment, it must be constant, and it nearly must be a stable coin to not be impacted by transactions totaling billions of dollars. Additionally, according to analysts, Ripples may eventually hit $10. Therefore, for XRP to trade at this price per coin, the market valuation would need to reach at least $100 trillion, which, in his opinion, is unlikely to happen anytime soon. These projections currently seem to be correct, and they won't be altered unless there is a big shift in Ripple's price or the cryptocurrency market as a whole. The cryptocurrency market has often demonstrated its capacity to reach unfathomably high prices, so these estimations could be significantly off. It will take some time for Ripple to regain its previous value when the lawsuit decreases its value. However, according to other analysts, Ripples might cost more than $10. Both the industry as a whole and the readership of Bitcoin news are flourishing. The Ripple's XFast platform, which will enable money transfers between banks and is currently being tested by more than 75, will ideally also be a part of this focus. Since its introduction more than 10 years ago, Bitcoin's popularity has only grown. The best digital asset for international payments now available on the market is Bank's Ripple, also known as XRP. It is predicted that Bank's Ripple will have a promising future. 99.9% of the 100 billion various currencies in use are XRP, increasing its value to $100 billion. If each currency's Ripple price reaches $1, but it needs to fight inflation if it wants to advance. As a result, XRP must prepare to burn coins or risk doing so. Despite what some people have suggested, the price of a coin will never reach $10, $100, or $1,000. After failing to raise the market capitalization of XRP, let's quickly reflect on the fantastic journey Ripple has had. In 2017 and 2018, Ripple finally grew after years of inactivity. Despite years of decline, Ripple was able to overtake its competitors and take second place among all cryptocurrencies worldwide. During the early 2021 dip, when Bitcoin remained the market leader, XRP had a fantastic opportunity to bounce back and restore its value. But with this unexpected increase, XRP can surpass its previous highs and soar once more. The majority of cryptocurrency experts think that XRP's price projections have a bright future. These experts believe that Ripple has the potential to ultimately alter international trade. The financial services industry is the focus of the Ripple blockchain, putting it apart from competitors who employ their own money. By switching from centralized databases under the control of financial institutions to more open infrastructure, banking institutions and other financial organizations can transmit money and assets across borders more quickly and affordably with XRP transactions. It won't make sense that XRP is among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market valuation given its odd business model. However, the Ripple Net Payment Network is a part of the XRP coin. When you understand that they only use it for a brief period of time, don't get carried away with the notion that the dollar worth will be pouring via XRP and that it will be fantastic for the price. This is the proper payment method for Ripple. The sender sends money using a fiat card that is printed with British pounds. The sender's wallet is then updated with the converted XRP from the pounds. The received XRP is then converted into their local currency, so they have more XRP in their wallet. This can be done for incredibly little money and in 3 to 4 seconds. Because they are still developing and are in their early phases. Comparing cryptocurrencies like XRP to traditional financial products and currencies reveals how much more volatile cryptocurrencies are. However, due to a number of circumstances, cryptocurrencies like XRP are constantly affected by market swings just like any other asset. Their cost could increase, decrease, or stay the same. As investors experiment with digital assets, their prices could increase or decrease. The question addressed to David Schwartz was, how can you transact to such a big extent at such a low price point, let's say at the pricing point we're at today, or even $1? Imagine you wanted to use Bitcoin as the middle currency to buy a $1 million mansion. When one Bitcoin cost $100 in the past, the price of the house drastically climbed when you attempted to purchase enough Bitcoin to cover the mortgage. When the recipient attempts to exchange those Bitcoins into their native currency, the price will sharply drop. Since Bitcoin has surpassed $10,000 in price, it is simple to purchase $1 million worth of cryptocurrencies without having a substantial impact on the market, which would have prevented using Bitcoins to purchase real estate. If you want to make big value payments, a more expensive item is the best payment method because it uses less Bitcoin as a result. David Schwartz claims that if $100,000 were invested in Bitcoin at the $100 price point, its value would fluctuate dramatically. We have no idea what precisely qualifies as significant, but I'm attempting to figure out if the price would alter if $1 million worth of Bitcoin were sold for just $100 in a jailhouse. What would $1 million worth of XRP transactions at the current rate of 47 cents do, if there is even a way to compute that? It is currently based on merit, but the market impact of XRP would be too significant for it to be regarded as a currency at this time. Between 2032 and 2033, the cost of XRP is projected to range between 73 cents and 82 cents. Considering the price of XRP in contrast to coin price estimates, this will most likely increase by 84%. More cautious Bitcoin experts predict that XRP, which is presently trading at 47 cents, will cost 5.9 cents in 2030. Other analysts, though, have bigger hopes for the unique token by 2030. Trading Education predicts that XRP will eventually cost $5. A long-term forecast by Trading Education states that in 2030, the cost of coins will be $29.47. They claim that by the end of 2025, Ripple's network may supplant Visa as the most popular payment processor globally. The price of Ripple can range from $1.83 and $3.37. A third prediction states that by 2025, the price of Ripple will reach $3.80. The idea that partnerships between Ripple Technology, its native token XRP, and significant global institutions would be lucrative underpins this prognosis. The coin will therefore be used more frequently, resulting in increased growth. According to Premax Beatty, the price of XRP may change between $8 and $50.20. This website claims that rippling has the potential to change a number of industries.